Ethereum is bottoming today. We think we're exiting the crypto winter now. Millionaires are made in crypto when the market crashes, yet asset fundamentals start to compound and then skyrocket. And that is exactly what is happening in crypto today. The bigger the crash, the bigger the opportunity, especially if you know what coins to buy because you can see what's happening behind the scenes and you understand what comes next. But you have to be greedy when others are fearful. That's the best way to get rich without getting lucky. And in this video, guys, smash the like button. In this video, I'll show you the best way to get rich during this current market downturn. So today, we are diving into a project that is moving incredibly fast under the radar. We are talking about the intersection of AI and on-chain intelligence. Every cycle has that one pre-sale that people kick themselves for missing.
That one that fill-ups quietly while everyone else is sleeping right now. That name is DeepStitch AI. We are currently in stage 5 of the pre-sale, and the momentum is undeniable. It is over 80% filled, and the price is ticking up stage by stage. But DeepStitch AI isn't just another hype driving a token. It's an AI-powered intelligence network designed to scan the blockchain 24/7. It finds the data that moves markets before the rest of the world catches on. If you can track whale rotations and contract risk early, you stop gambling and start positioning. The ecosystem runs on a network of specialized AI agents, each with a specific mission to give you an unfair advantage. The first one is Stitch Feed, tracks wave movements and insider rotations in real time. The second one is Stitch Scan, analyze a smart contract instantly to flag rocks or risk. The third one is Snitch GPT, which translates complex on-chain data into plain English. The fourth one is Stitchcast, your live feed for Argent market intelligence. And the last one, Audit Stitch, is constant security monitoring for your portfolio. The DEP token is the field for this entire intelligence layer. Let's look at the numbers, because the clock is ticking. They already raised over 1.7 million. The stage 5 target is 2.1 million, meaning it's 83% full, and the current price is 0.50 cents. The next stage jump is imminent, and the prices will continue to climb through all 15 stages. The pre-sale is set to wrap up no later than April 31st, or even sooner if it hits the hard cut. Getting now means you are beating the final stages before the demand is fully reflected in the price. Tokenomics are built for long-term growth. Total supply is capped at 1 billion tokens. 35% goes to the pre-sale. 30% is dedicated to marketing and ecosystem growth, and 10% is located for liquidity at the Token Generation Event, or TGE. Your known stake tokens are fully transferable immediately. Get total flexibility to trade or stake for long-term rewards right from the start. Joining the pre-sale is straightforward. Head over to the website that is already in the description. Choose your network and payment method. Enter your amount and confirm. It's all handled directly through their secure platform. Look, AI and blockchain intelligence aren't just trends anymore. They are the core infrastructure for the next bull run.
With the pre-sale over 80% field and the price rising soon, DeepStitch AI is definitely one to watch. As always, all the pre-sale links are in the description below to check out the white paper. Join the pre-sale. This is one of those early opportunities you'll want to jump on before it gets crowded. Now let's talk about Ethereum from more of a developmental or even fundamental point of view, and again, why you should be bullish. Number one, big upgrades on the horizon. Wall Street is on board for all of this. Ethereum is one to beat with what's coming up. And we're seeing more and more stablecoins call Ethereum home. Ethereum now holds 165 billion in stablecoins. Not in the future, this is happening in the present, and it's getting a lot bigger. It is not a coincidence that minutes after the dip, 90 million USDC was minted on Ethereum. Smart money continues to buy. In addition, over 100,000 in Ethereum has been removed from the circulating supply in the last 30 days alone. Here's the exact breakdown. TLDR, corporate treasuries are absorbing more ETH than the network is producing, over 2 times more. Ethereum's price is down, but supply is shrinking and treasury conviction is rising. In addition, for the first time since January, spot Ethereum ETFs have seen 5 straight days of positive inflows. The last time we saw sustained Ethereum ETF inflows like this, Ethereum ran from 2,500 to 4,000 plus. Not saying history repeats, but the setup looks familiar. And if you're bullish on Bitcoin's supply and demand dynamics, you ought to be bullish on Ethereum's supply and demand dynamics. Ethereum is 5x less inflationary than Bitcoin. We are now 3 years and 183 days since the merge, since Ethereum transitioned to proof of stake, and the data shows that Ethereum's supply growth increases at 0.2% per year, while Bitcoin increases 1.2% per year. Let that sink in. Price doesn't reflect it yet, but the data does. So don't shoot the messenger, guys. Ethereum to 10K, Ethereum to over 10K. Again, like I said, it's not just Ethereum these days. There are a lot of quality crypto assets whose fundamentals or on-chain metrics are showing a real bullish divergence, in my opinion. I mean, right now it costs less than a cent to transact on Solana. Let me put that into perspective. You would need to send 2,500 transactions on Solana to spend $10 in fees. This is absolutely crazy, and it's about to get even damn cheaper. Send this video to a friend if you got value. Comment your thoughts on Ethereum below, and if you agree with me that Ethereum has a very bullish future, let me know what other coins you want me to make videos like this on going forward. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. Subscribe to our channel, join our team. Cryptocurrency has a big future, and most people just do not take the time to become aware. Become aware. Subscribe to Altcoin Daily, and I'll see you tomorrow, my friends.